blesse mon cœur d'une langueur monotone. Je répète, blesse mon cœur d'une langueur monotone.
Hey everybody, Dutch Sense here. It is 8:16 a.m. Central Time on Friday, November 4th, 2011. And I'm over here on the FCC.gov website. There's been a lot of talk about this EAS test that's getting ready to occur. And the EAS, for those of you who don't live in the United States, is the Emergency Alert System. It comes on whenever there's a disaster or alert that needs to be given. For instance, tornadoes, earthquakes, terrorist attacks, that sort of thing. We get a series of beeps and flashes that come on the screen or over the radio, and then a message that follows.
The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Washington County, Multnomah County, northeastern Clackamas County until 9:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 8:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar detected strong rotation along with a severe thunderstorm moving north at 7 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Tigard and Beaverton. Get into a basement, or if no basement is available, get into a bathtub and put a mattress over yourself, or if you are outside, lay flat in the nearest ditch. Once again, the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Washington County, South Multnomah County, northeastern Clackamas County until 9:30 p.m., and a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect until 10:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Now, what they're getting ready to do is a national test of this new system that they've put in that goes all the way from the president all the way down. And so supposedly the president can issue a alert, and it goes to everybody over every network across the United States on TV or on radio. So this is getting ready to occur on November 9th, 2011. The date is 11/9/11. And a lot of people, of course, that raises their eyebrows with the 11/9/11 connection. I won't go too much into that there. I'll put a link down below. You can go read a little bit about the coincidences on these dates, and you can decide for yourself what you think about it. But I want to show you this PDF. So here's the PDF. You can go ahead and download it or open it. And this is just released. This is the update for the EAS test. Now, I want you guys to go down and read this, because what it says is that they're going to do this test, but they're actually not going to notify everyone that it's a test. They're encouraging the providers, such as TV stations and radio stations, to tell people that this is a test. But the scroller that they're going to broadcast out, the whole test as it occurs from the main site, is not going to be broadcast as a test. That's something that these people are going to have to insert at your local station. So does that mean that they don't consider it a test? I don't know. I don't know what that means, but I was just really, it was very weird to see that the text notice that's going out does not say that this is a test. It says the audio portion of this test will state this is a test. However, for video service providers, a category that includes broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline video providers, the EAN code will automatically generate a text crawl that will say, "A primary entry point station has issued an emergency action notification." That's what it's going to say as it scrolls across the bottom of the screen. So I don't know what a primary entry point station is, but apparently they're the ones that are issuing the alerts. And it says the text crawl will not indicate that the event is a test. Please see page 12 for manufacturer-specific text crawls. So you can go down and read page, just go down and find these and go see what each text crawl calls for. But to me, that's just very strange that they're not going to put it out as a test, that somebody has to add that later. I don't know, that could cause some confusion. People might not think it's a test, and they're not acting like it's a test from the main station when they're putting out this text crawl. Granted, the audio says it, but people read those texts. God forbid you're deaf and you read that text. So hang in there, folks. Much love. And if you find anything else, definitely let me know. But I'll put a link down below for this.